Can an LLC hire another LLC? Yes, an LLC can hire another LLC to provide services or complete work. This arrangement is common in business-to-business relationships, and it functions like hiring any other independent contractor or service provider. Here's how it works. 1. How it works. Independent contractor relationship. When an LLC hires another LLC, the relationship is typically structured as a business-to-business agreement, not as an employer-employee relationship. Services or products. The hired LLC provides services, consulting, marketing, or products under the terms of a contract. Second steps to hire another LLC. Step 1. Define the scope of work. Clearly outline the services or deliverables required. Step 2. Draft a contract. Create a formal agreement specifying scope of work, payment terms, deadlines, confidentiality, if necessary, termination clauses. Step 3. Verify legitimacy. Ensure the hired LLC is properly registered and in good standing with its state. Request proof of insurance if applicable. Step 4. Issue payments. Pay the hired LLC as agreed and request invoices for payments. Step 5. File tax forms, if applicable. If payments to the hired LLC exceed $600 in a tax year, the hiring LLC may need to issue a Form 1099-NEC unless the hired LLC is taxed as a corporation. 3. Advantages of hiring another LLC. Flexibility. Engaging another LLC allows for specialized services without the obligations of hiring employees. Reduced liability. The hired LLC is responsible for its own taxes, insurance, and compliance. Professionalism. Hiring another business often ensures professional standards and accountability. By hiring another LLC, businesses can leverage external expertise and resources while maintaining a clear professional arrangement.